Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add money to PayPal from your bank account. Okay, so just like the bet cards, the process of adding money to PayPal from a bank account will depends on your country. So since we are from the Philippines, you cannot directly add or transfer money from your bank account to your PayPal balance in the Philippines. So PayPal Philippines does not support top ups or add money from local banks anymore. So here we have another way. So we are going to link our bank account to withdraw funds, not add. And then we can also link to our local bank account to withdraw money from PayPal, but not to add funds. All right. So we can also use the bank to PayPal. So PayPal will let us use our linked or bank account to make payments directly, even if your PayPal balance is zero. So first is you just have to open your PayPal application or visit the website, and then you just have to tap on these three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on your wallet. Okay, so right here, just have to add a new card. Okay, so you just have to enter the details of your bank account. So once done, all right, you can now choose that card as your payment method whenever you buy online or send money. Okay, so you just have to enter your bank details right here. So you just have to link your bank account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.